What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for PayPal holdings with the ticker symbol PYPL. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I don't think I've looked at PayPal last week Saturday. So last time I looked at it was October 10th. So let's see what happened since then. So let's look at October 10th, and you can see that price was right here, hanging right around the high 50s. And then it has sold off lower and lower towards that measure move target at the $52 level. So this arrow's been here for a long time now, and that horizontal level at the $52 level. And you can see that price made one large leg down. This is the second attempt. This is the second leg down, and you can see these are multiple attempts by the bears to reach the target. And it looks like they're finally about to reach it. So the $52 target was the target for quite a long time now. Targets aren't always reached, but we did not see any strong reversals take place by the bulls, so it was more likely price was going to be reaching this target eventually. So price is still below the EMA and this trend line off of the swing highs. You can see that it is acting as somewhat of a resistance level. So again, this is clearly headed towards the low 50s. Some may say we're already there, and we might even see a break of that. So as of right now, PayPal continues to drop lower. Once this target is met, we could see a bounce or maybe even a potential reversal. That coincides with this earnings report coming up shortly too, so that's not really a coincidence that when we are somewhat near a bottom that we see an earnings report push up the price. So let's see if that occurs. But that's basically what happened to PayPal. It's been bearish, it's been staying bearish, and you see it's getting closer to the target that the bears are trying to reach. These targets are very, very reliable. We could see some type of reaction right here. It's very rare that price just breaks it and just passes through it like it doesn't even exist. Usually you'll see some type of consolidation, if not a whole entire bounce up. So let's see what happens at this $52 level, $51.70, $52 level, and then we'll go from there. But PayPal is headed lower, and if it doesn't bounce there, then I could find another target looking at the macro picture or the higher time frame, the weekly chart, so I can show more price action on the same screen. And you see that the next target after the $52 level would be the 42, because that's where the breakout point was in the past, the 2017. So price can pull back to that breakout point. So overall, PayPal has been bearish. Is below this trend line that I drew off the swing highs right over here. The measuring target is almost met at this low 50s, $51, $52 level. And price is still dropping lower. So I think once we reach that target, let's see if we find a bottom. If not, PayPal can still continue towards that $42 level. For me to be really bullish on PayPal, it needs to break this trend line right here. This big trend line that has been going on since August of 2022. It needs to break that trend line. So what I want to see is a trend reversal, a break through the trend line, back above the EMA, higher highs, higher lows. Something like this would be, a trend reversal. Until then, it could always just bounce from here, get rejected from the trend line, and just do something like this. So you want to see a break of the trend line to be really bullish. I think in the short term, there could be obviously rallies higher, but to see that 1 to 3 year long bull market, you want to see a break of this trend line. But until then, PayPal is most likely coming to an end in this downtrend. Who knows where the bottom is? But either way, this is usually a good sign of a bottom coming shortly. Usually a break of a channel and 2 large leg down indicates a potential bottoming area. So again, this is probably a bottom closer than any other time we had in the past. So let's see if we get that bounce up. So I'm looking for that low 50s, and maybe we'll get a strong bounce up from there, which can lead to a full-blown rally. So let's see what happens, and most likely I'll give you guys an update next week Saturday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.